their organizations na organic farming, is the price going to be different, or do you set talaga na dapat hindi, dito lang tayo kasi pare-pareho tayong organic?
You know, the foundation of the prices of the organic products here in Benguet is Latak. So yun yung
Susundin nila.
yun
Sila
ang
yung
yun,
susundin.
oo, yan. Kasi what we did before as far as pricing is concerned, during I think the months, yung lean months, August yata yun, we discussed in one meeting, it's a parang a general assembly of the cooperative. We discussed prices only. So we would debate as to what would be the price of one of the more exciting ones was potato. When 2007, 2008, organic potato was very scarce. Nobody was producing potatoes. And the price tag of potatoes during that time was 80 pesos a kilo. Palaging sold out yan. Pagkalapag mo sa table, wala na. Wala. Ubus na yun. So, we raised it. During that meeting, at August meeting, the growers said, can we raise it to 120? So sabi ko, that's a big one, a big step. That's a 50% increase from the present price. Sabi ko, baka magkakaroon ng resistance yan. But if you want to pursue it, you are going to shoulder the cost. At kapag walang bumili, kayo rin na masasaktan. Sabi ko, they took the risk.
Mabili.
Hindi mabili. Nagkaroon ng resistance.
Kasi super taas.
Mataas siya masyado. The people perceived this as expensive. So they did not buy. So the next year we reduced it, turned it 100 pesos a kilo. Yun, gumalaw na. So yun, you know, when there's a new product, we discuss what is the more or less a good price, an introductory price of that product. And it is normally dictated by the producer. So like the blueberries, yung Ayosep was introduced, and we were the first to market that. The producer, the farmer, wanted 150 pesos per kilo. Sabi ko, okay yan. That's a good price. So he packaged it as 100 grams lang or 150 or 200. Basta maliliit lang and sold it as 30 pesos yata. Well, then people started to taste it. Uy, okay. Tapos they started to research. Uy, taas yung antioxidants, etc. So it became popular. Tapos, he requested for a new price. So sabi niya, since production is so limited, and we try 250 a kilo. So, sabi ko, since wala naman talagang walang kakompetensya Sige, sabi ko, let's try. 200 grams, 50 pesos. Sold out pa rin. So, okay. So, you know, those are the things that when we have products, we try to
based on demand and based on capacity.
Of course, we study that. And because of that, Latap has become now the benchmark of producers' prices. So even